Alright, so let's see how to use the cinematic title cards template for DaVinci Resolve. So first, once you download this pack, you will get the zip file. So just unzip it, and you will get this folder over here. Now just open up that, and you will find these folders inside it. Now before you install the template, you need to install the fonts first. So this is very important. If you don't install the font, the template might not work properly. You can change the fonts later, but first you have to install it. So open up the font link folder, and over here you have 9 different fonts. So go ahead and take your time and copy and paste every individual fonts into your browser, download and install them all, and then you can proceed to install the template. So let me just show you one font example over here. So copy from here and open up your browser and paste it. And over here you can just click on this get font, and now we can just download the font over here, click your display. Now I can copy and paste the font wherever you like and just extract it. And over here you need to install this variable fonts. So double click on them, click on install, and double click on this variable as well, click on install. And in the same way, you have to open up the other font links, copy them, paste it in your browser, and download and install them. Now once it's done, now you can open up this title cards folder and double click on this cinematitlecards.dirfx file. And over here it will ask you to install. So for me it's already installed, so I'm just going to cancel that. And in this title section you'll find the cinema title cards category. So once you select it, you'll find these subcategories over here. They are all categorized in different sections. So this first one is the main titles, which will be the main focus titles in the center. And then this is the text elements, which will be for decorations like top and bottom elements over here. And then there's the award graphics, so you can put this wherever you like, depending on your need. Then you have some logos to show your sponsors, etc. So it's pretty much customizable however you like. You have some icons over here. Each icon has 6 different icon layout, so you can use that. And at the end it's the background. So let's drag and drop the background in my timeline first. And as you can see, it will just give a little bit of a darker tone over here, so that the title can be displayed a bit clearly. So if we select it, and in this inspector tab you will find the settings. It has an animation in, and at the end it has an animation out. If I just increase the opacity, you'll get to know, as you can see, like so. If you don't like the animation out, turn off that, and it will not animate out. I'm just going to extend that and decrease the opacity bit as well. Okay, now let's go back to your main title, and over here let's drag and drop some titles. Let's drag and drop this mindset over here, and as you can see, it has animation in as well as animation out. I'm going to select that. I'm just going to uncheck the animation out because I just need the animation in. Okay, now I'm just going to go to some text elements, and let's see what text I can give. Let's give a description over here. So I'm just going to take the description, the bottom,
and so it's got ultimate.
Like so. And once I select the description over here in this global transform, I will put it down over here, something like that. Let's go back somewhere over here. I'm just gonna drag and drop this one as well on the top and check the animation out.
I think.
And I'm just gonna scale this down a bit, just a bit, and move it to the top, like so. Let's check some others. Maybe this one I can put some names of my cast. So I'm just gonna drag and drop over here, like so, and check the animation out. I'm just gonna move this to the bottom. See, the same way you can add as many elements you want depending on your need. And if you just click like that, as you can see, with this couple of steps you have created such a cinematic animation over here. I have to change them. Just select the titles you have added. So first I'm going to change the main title. So I'm going to select this main title 7, and over here everything is in proper groups over here. So this is the text. You can change the text. We change the font, another font setting, and this font has this text has a bit animation with follower animation. So you can delay the animation from here, as you can see. And also you can change the animation type from left to right or something like that, like so. And then if you open up the color section, you can change the color. And as well as, this is a pretty important thing. Every text elements has an blur in and blur out animation. So if you don't like that, you can turn off the blur and it will be completely flat. Now let's go to some other. Let's go to this text elements, the bottom one. And over here, as you can see, it has 6 different text. For that, you'll have 6 different text over here. So just open up them and just text. In this way, just open up them and change the text. In the color section, you have the colors over here. Let's change it. As you can see, it will be changed. So now let's go to some other unique examples. Let's go to some logo over here. If I just drag and drop over here, as you can see, it has 9 different logo over here. So once you select it, in this inspector, first you will find a text, which is this one. And there is the line movement. You can turn off and on. You can change the thickness, change the position, etc. And in the logo section, you can turn off and on any logo. So let's say you don't need 9 logo. You just need 8 logo. So just turn off the last one and just move this all position a little bit to the right side so that it's a bit centered. Okay? And now you will have the every single logo placeholders as well as the transform. So this is the logo one. So just click on the logo one. You have to browse it in your browser. So I have browsed a dummy logo in my desktop. As you can see, it has been placed over here. And then you can change the scaling over here and you can change the position however you like. In the same way, you can add all of these 8 different logos and it will be replaced. And in the color section, if you want a flat color on the logo, just uncheck the logo original color and it will be completely flat. Now you can change your own color however you like. Or if you want original color, you can just check that. And if I just drag the award graphics over here, so let's drag and drop this award graphics. As you can see, in the settings, you can change the text individually. And if I just go to the color, you will have some settings like lead spacing. If I increase the lead spacing, as you can see, the spacing will be increased. As well as you can turn off and on award graphics. And in the award graphics spacing, you can also increase that or decrease that, as you can see, to get your own desired look. And you can increase the scale as well. And this is text and the color. And let's check the icon as well. If I just drag and drop the icon, like here you can change the icon to different ones and can change the color, animation in and out. That's it. So with this elements, you can create a very cinematic intro just with a couple of clicks. I hope this will help.